Hi everyone! So we are here again, your staff from CB booth. What we will do today is we were going to make a bird seed feeders. What we need are the following. So we need an empty tissue rolls, peanut butter, butter knife, of course our bird seeds, one hole puncher. If you don't have it at home, it's okay. You can also use scissor as an alternative. We will also need a string, an empty plate. Okay, so let's begin. First step is we're going to make a hole in both ends of our tissue rolls using our one hole puncher. So we'll do it like this. When you make a hole, make sure that your string will fit into the hole that you make. So you can use 1 or 3 holes to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's that one. So again, if you don't have a one hole puncher, you can use scissor to make a hole in the ends of your tissue roll. Next is to put a string. This will serve as the holder of your bird seed feeder. And then put it inside the hole. And tie it. Okay. And then the other end. Like this. Okay, until you will have like this.
Ooh, that
Okay.
looks so nice.
Right. So our next step, we will spread the peanut butter into the tissue rolls using our butter knife. Okay, so here. Okay. Spread it. And make sure that you put a generous amount of peanut butter into the tissue roll so that the bird seeds will stick into the peanut butter. Because if it's too thin, it will not hold the seeds. So we'll spread it, cover it around the tissue roll. So I guess I have a generous amount. How about you, Maria? You need more?
No more, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. So once you think you already have a generous amount of peanut butter spread all over the tissue rolls, now you can put the bird seeds into an empty plate. Okay. Right. Spread it there so that it's easy for you to roll it. Okay? Right. So you go first, Maria. Roll. Okay, and then make sure that you also press it down when you roll so that the seeds will stick into the peanut butter.
Wow.
Okay. Roll it. Alright, so there you have it. And then I will do this with mine.
I think I'll
Again,
try this one.
you should, and you sure you have fun. Okay, here, press it down so that the bird seeds will really stick into it. The more seeds, the better, so that it will attract the birds more. Okay, and then once you already put, and then the seeds, and you covered your peanut butter, and then here you go. There you have it.
All done.
All done. So you have your peanut butter bird seed feeder. So it's
Awesome.
very easy to do at home. So again, you only need peanut butter, bird seeds, string, empty tissue rolls, 1 hole puncher. If you don't have it, you can use scissors for it, butter knife to spread the peanut butter. And then there you go. So I hope you enjoy watching us, and then I hope you will also enjoy making it at home as much as we do here at the program.